Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm about to show you something that looks like it was pulled straight out of the future. Jaw-dropping masterpiece on wheels called the Rolling Palace. Imagine a luxury mansion, a five-star hotel, and a futuristic spaceship, all combined into one giant road beast. Well, that's exactly what this is. Now let me ask you, what comes to mind when you think of a truck? Maybe a big rig, something heavy-duty, something powerful. But this isn't just a truck. This is a moving palace, an entire luxury villa built on wheels. And trust me, once you see what's inside, your idea of road travel will never be the same again. Just take a look at this design. The massive body is sculpted like an art piece, with flowing curves, futuristic windows, and a stance so commanding that it makes everything else on the road look tiny. It doesn't just move, it rules the road. The front cabin looks like the cockpit of a spaceship, while the side gives you the feel of a floating luxury cruise ship. Step closer and you'll see. The details: solar panels on top for sustainable power, custom wheels that look like something from a sci-fi movie, and a staircase, yes, an actual staircase that leads you right into the main living space. It's not just transport, it's architecture on wheels. Now, the inside is where this beast really becomes the Rolling Palace. We're talking about a full two-story interior, complete with a lavish living room, bedrooms that look straight out of a five-star hotel, a modern kitchen, entertainment zones, and even a spa-inspired bathroom. Some versions of luxury RVs are impressive, but this is in a league of its own. It's not designed just for traveling, it's designed for living like royalty wherever you park. Think about it. You could be standing in the middle of the desert, parked at a beach, or in the heart of a city, and yet inside, you're surrounded by pure luxury, comfort, and technology. This is the kind of vehicle that turns every road trip into a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And the best part? It's a symbol of freedom and luxury combined. No matter where you want to go, the Rolling Palace takes your entire mansion with you. No hotels, no rentals, no compromises. Just roll out in your own palace on wheels. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate luxury home for the future? Or is it just a wild dream that only a few can afford? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Want to know if you'd live in this moving palace or just admire it from afar? And hey, if you enjoyed this mind-blowing tour of the Rolling Palace, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next incredible machine we uncover here. This is just the beginning. Bigger, crazier, and more luxurious rides are coming up next, right here on the channel.